Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, April the 11th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's now time for the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 8347. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is 13 printed digits. Should be an easy one, Because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always one. Only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a dual box here. Well, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. So that box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Let me check. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Alright. So my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape that you need to recognize is the Z or the S construction. We have the S here, or if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Let me draw this here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one S construction. Then the following shape. How about a T shape? We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Here we have the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, the L shape. Rotate it. Here another L shape, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. And we have another L shape. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. And this box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 2 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see here. Another one. So this box is the same number as that box, so in this case it's 1 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So what box level 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box level 1 in this area should be here. And then let me see. Let me go down. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround a 3 can be a 3. That box can be 3, so 1 box level 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5, so 1 box level 5 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. Then. Let me see. Yeah. Well. Let me see. Interesting. Yeah. Alright. Let me go up. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Okay. Well. Come on. Thinking. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. So I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3 and a 4. We have double 3 there, double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then let me think. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for us 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. You need a 1 here. Okay, and now I need to think. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Well, let me mark those. 2 and a 3. Well, this box is connected with that box. Should be so 2 and a 3, but we already have a 2 here, so it can be 2 and more. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Is also connected with that box. Should be so 2. Is also connected with that box. Should be so 2. Alright. Then this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think this box should be a 2. Because otherwise this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there. So the only place left a 2 in this area should be here. Okay, this box can be 5. This box can be 3. So 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is also connected with that box. So we show 4 and 5. And this box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. L-shaped area should be here. This box can be 1. So the 1 should be here. So the 4 and the 5 are left here in this L-shaped area. Okay, this box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Then, yeah, let me think. This box can be 3, but also that box can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. So the 4 and 5 are left. 4 and 5. Well, can I place the 5 there? We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Is also connected with that box. Should be so 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Alright. Okay. And now. These 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution, place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be so 1. But we already have a 1 here. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 2 and a 5. Well, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 4. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3, and I've eliminated there the 4, so the 4 goes, and there. 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 1. And the final two numbers in this area, we have four numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 14 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow, the last working day. Friday, almost weekend. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.